Hello, everyone. Welcome back. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today, we're in the community of Bridgeland, located in Cypress, Texas. Now, the home that we're viewing is built by Beazer Home, and this is going to be their duet section. Now, what that duet section actually is, it is actually two homes connected side by side. The good thing about living in such a community is that the front and back lawn maintenance is taken care of, and also the exterior of the home is taken care of. So that's one less thing that you will have to worry about. Now, this home is called the Serendipity. This is a one-story, two-bedroom, could be converted to a third bedroom or a study, and it has two baths. It is between 16 and 1700 square feet. And the starting price is going to be in the $400,000 range. Now, if you're interested in what school this home is going to be zoned to, it is going to be in the Cy-Fair ISD district, and the schools are going to be Wells Elementary, Smith Middle School, and also Bridgeland High School. If you have any questions, make sure you leave them in the comment section below. And in case you don't know who I am Linda Blue, your new home consultant, helping you create the ultimate blueprint for all of your real estate needs. And if you have not done so already, do me a big favor, hit that like, subscribe, and that bell to be notified of new weekly videos. Enjoy the rest of this tour.